Hello everyone, I'm Heidi, a veterinary technician here at the Royal York Animal Hospital, and this is Hecktor. I'm going to be showing you how to clean a dog's ears today. Okay, so what you will need is an ear cleanser. So I'm using one called Epiotic here. There's multiple different ear cleansers you can use, but if you get one from a veterinary hospital, it's generally going to be a good quality one with a drying agent. So just be cautious of what you use. And just some gauze, as well as cotton-tipped Q-tips. So at home, if you don't have gauze, which you may not, you can use a Kleenex or a cotton pad, something similar. And if you have Q-tips, it can be helpful, but be cautious of using Q-tips, and I'll kind of show you what to do. So there's two methods you can use when cleaning ears. You can squeeze the ear cleaner directly in the ear. So kind of like you want to have your dog on a table or in your lap. Squeezing some into the ear, quickly closing it over, massaging the ear, and then stand back. Your dog will shake his head, and then sit down. Then you can wipe out with your cotton or your tissues. So using your finger, you can wipe, and you can go as far as your finger will let you into the ear. There's some dirty wax in there. The other method, rather than squirting it directly into the ear, is just to squeeze some on the cotton pad, some of the ear cleanser, and use that to go in the ear. Again, you can go as far as your finger will let you. You won't hit anything. You're going to want to repeat that a few more times until you get a fairly clean piece of tissue. You can also wipe the outer edges of the ear because it can be dirty as well. So right now I'm getting back a pretty clean piece of gauze. So for Q-tip use, you can wet the end of the Q-tip with the ear cleaner, and we do recommend just going in on the edges of the ear. You don't obviously want to go down deep, but just in the edges to kind of clean it out in here in the folds. I wouldn't go very far in though. Right now his ears are pretty clean, but that's what you would use them for. Again, don't go down deep into the canal with a Q-tip. It can be dangerous. You can hit the eardrum. So you would repeat the same thing on the other ear, and so depending on if you are going to be using medication, just follow whatever the doctor or technician tells you and how to administer that. They can be all different, but yeah, that's pretty much how you do an ear cleaning on a dog, and some people may need to clean more often than others depending on how dirty they get, but just listen to whatever your veterinarian tells you. Okay?